Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. This is the third episode of my kayak fishing vlog. So I'm currently out here fishing the Little Creek body of water and just fishing the flats, the grass area, and the target of the day is puppy drums. All right. So, caught a few fish already, but I wasn't gonna record an intro unless I have a successful fishing day. So I'm gonna go ahead and let it go. There we go. Here we go. All right, so like I said, I caught about 4 or 5 puppy drums already. So if you want to see how I catch the ones before, stay tuned.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my stand.
Alright folks, just made it out here to the kayak launch. For those that didn't know, this is the community and senior center located on 20th Bay Street in Norfolk. There's also a little fishing pier to my left. Lots of folks come out here to fish. It's a pretty well-known little spot by the locals. I will only have a couple hours to fish today before the rain sets in. So my goal is to head straight for the other side of the bay and fish the grassy area. I'm hoping to run into some puppy drums or trouts. So I just made it across the bay, and looks like I definitely came to the right place at the right time. I'm getting a lot of hits pretty much right away as I'm scanning the grassy ledge. It didn't take long for me to hook up the first puppy drum. I'm using a 1/4 ounce jig head paired with 4-inch GoPro swimming mullets. I'm sticking with the brighter colors, chartreuse and pink, because the water is a bit murky today. The depth is about 4 to 6 feet where I am, and probably even more shallow where I'm casting. I prefer the 1/4 ounce jig head because it sinks a little bit quicker than the 8s. And even when the current gets heavier, I don't have to worry about changing it out right away. But that's just my preference.
Go.
This next catch is definitely the highlight of my day. I didn't measure her, but she's definitely close to the 18-inch keeper size.
Come on. Get this on. Come on. Woo! Here we go. No. Come back over here. Yeah, boy. Come back over here. Whew. Puppy drums. All right. So. Here we go. Here we go. Alright, buddy.
Alright folks, the storm just moved in. It's time to pack up. It's been a really good day, caught a few fish in such a short amount of time. That will have to do it for this episode. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button. I've been working really hard filming and editing on top of working full time. If you have not subscribed, I hope you would consider. It really means a lot and keeps me motivated. Alright folks, be safe out there, and I'll see you all in the next episode.